I'm gonna start recording now.
I hear you.
Fantastic. So right now we're playing a range, guys. We're playing support and resistance. So right now we're reacting off a nice support area. I had marked like 480, I'm sorry, 470 to 500 to be the level to tap and to continue up. Unfortunately, we didn't get tapped into our zone by only 9.5 points, sad face. But I am considering to take longs only if we come back into like a 445, 45 ish. Show some kind of like really support to break above 560s, and from 560s I'm taking it into like 605 as TP1, and then I'll take 650 as TP2. It's almost the end of the day, and honestly I missed so many things that I feel like I'm losing on a lot of good opportunities, but gonna be patient. You know, if God allows me to take a trade, cool, and if He doesn't, it's great because nothing is better than just staying alive. Trading for another day. Plus the fact that I have 5 evals, I can just really scalp in and out whenever I want. It doesn't have to be a specific zone. So let's see what we really find. So mark on your charts 569, mark 525, and you want to put like a demand zone between 470 and 500 if we do come back, which I highly doubt, because if you look at the 30-minute, it's given us this really beautiful reversal, which is a CRT. What I call CRT, just to let you guys know, if you look at the 30-minute, we have this nice resistance coming in. We had sellers kind of still push us down. However, buyers didn't let it drop below this level, which is basically a gap if you really think about it. It's a huge gap. And the fact that we're going above the break of 554, it just gives us a continuation to the top of 650, maybe even to 730 by the end of the day. This is why I have these marked zones earlier, even before we got up here. That's why I don't erase nothing from my chart. As you can see, we're in the higher time frame, and I have not really erased anything. So we're looking for maybe double tops to end the day, or a really strong rally to continue. It just really is a phenomenal day to trade. If you guys were here on the live earlier today, you guys were excited. You guys were having a good time. It was a fantastic trading day. Just market doing market things. So we have this nice little rally to the upside. We're kind of creating a base above the resistance to break and retest and continue up. Would be really nice if we get 538, 545 to go along. Does anybody have any ideas at the moment? Ronnie, do you want to pitch in anything? There it goes. There's the break. Wow, look at that. It's just rallying. Wow.
100.
Wow. Why do I always call it so precise? I want to really take this, but I gotta be patient. It could just come back down really, really strong. hmm
Mhm.
These are buyers, guys. On the 5 minute, we have this beautiful continuation candle, but we're getting that resistance from 585. So that's gonna be a zone for us to break and continue into that 610, 605. What is the 3 minute doing? 3 minute looks like a continuation candle. If we tap 535 and we bounce right back up, I'm taking it. If we bounce above 580, I'm taking it, meaning going long, guys. Notice how in the 1 minute we never broke and closed above 570s. So right now it's just patience, patience, patience.
We came back and did an immediate retest on the 1 minute, like the 555 to 550 zone. Um, and then it retested it pretty much again. But I will need to see a strong move to the upside. Right now, I don't like the like third to last 1 minute candle. So I don't want anybody to get trapped in this because
Hmm.
that candle went into a trap zone, supply zone. So let's just wait.
I do agree. Debbie and Gold, are you guys still trading or are you guys just hanging out? Gonzo, what's good, brother?
Mm.
Yo. Gonzo, I was looking for longs. Unfortunately, we never tapped that 500 or 490 area. It literally was off by 9 points. I would have had a really beautiful long right now with 80 points, but sad face. It's all good. It's all good. Mike is dead. Don't know what's wrong. It's all good. So 5 minutes about to close with a really nice strong momentum for continuation. Um, it would be nice if at the close of this it just comes down fast into that 545, 530-ish. If it does, just to take out every buyer that just came in and goes back up, that would be super sweet. So just mark that 540 area if it just has like a strong wick up. But this right here is already a break above the resistance for me to feel consideration that we are going up. We're looking for TP1 to be 605, so mark that. 605 is TP1, and TP2 will be 650. TP3 is going to be 730. 730. I know, bro. That's crazy. It really was an exciting moment for us to all be there on live and actually see that. It was ridiculous. The moment I saw it take me out and go back up, I was like, nah. I did record that. I did. I did. I'm recording every session so we can see consistency inside of our community, and that way we can all like see our growth over time. So far is a nice breakout on the 5 minute. How do you feel about going long here, Gonzo? Would you pull the trigger? I'm just late to my. I'm off on this trade because I'm already late to it. Chino, what's good, brother? We're looking for longs now. Okay. 570 is M30 breakout entry for long on the M30. Let's see. 570. So you're saying wait for the new 30 minutes, what you're saying? Because this could go down in the next 12, 10 minutes. We just have to be patient. This wick can go down. Hopefully stays above 570. And then the new candle goes back down to that 530, 540 I'm talking about for that new 30 minute to go up. Because what I'm seeing here is like a CRT. So we have the drop, the support. This never goes below like this zone right here or wicks down. And then it continues up to this area. Which if you look at the if you look at the 15, it goes back to that M pattern I always talk about. Boom. First trap, second, that's an SMT, then break and retest to continue to the upside. We have to wait if it stays here. New candle drops but doesn't go near the body. Low of M30 candle. Then we go long at 570. Perfect. All right, guys. So mark your charts at 570, 560. We want the new 30 candle to kind of like stay somewhere around here, tapping us and going back up. So we're just adding confluences right now. We're not making a decision on what we're gonna do. We're just looking at zones that make sense, rolling out any dumb ideas. That's crazy, bro. That's freaking crazy. 70 points already. That's Ronnie. Talk to me. What do you see right now? I do believe that we might stay up there at the end of the day, honestly. Interesting. So let's mark that out. So 680 and maybe 670, guys. I would put a zone for supply. Jesus Christ, things leaving without me everywhere. So we're getting like a zombie rally up to the upside. Nothing crazy, no high volume. Nothing that's giving us really strong pushes, but it is a valid long area zone, guys. We are looking for 605 to 630. So if you have any evals, any new evals that you need to pass, this is the moment for you to take that trade. And look, I didn't even have VWAP open, and this was VWAP. Jesus. So I could have had a stop loss below at 550 if I had my VWAP open. That would have given me more confluence. EMAs are showing strength. Beautiful. Yeah, we're already late to this move to even chase it for me. For me personally, I could 50 micro full port it, but nah, chilling. Yo, Chino, how many evals you got right now? I know you passed one earlier today. Very nice. I see what you're seeing. I do believe we're gonna go to that 720, 730 by the end of the day during power hour. It's right there. That's higher time frame supply right there. Yeah, I do believe that. Yeah, it definitely will shift it will definitely shift the market sentiment for any shorts. I don't think we're gonna be going shorts anytime soon. I know Eric was like super fond of getting that short all the way to like 400 and something, or I think he even said 300. I don't see that. I don't see that happening today. Not at all. There's too many things going up here for us to go down there. Yeah, that's for sure. 1 hour is super strong, guys. Wow, incredible. I was talking to Ronnie about this. So this is what the CRT looks like. Look at the 30 minute. It's a candle range theory where all this gets consumed with that reversal right here. So the CRT is always going to be like this, guys. It has this candle in the middle, which is always like a spinning top with a large wick, but this wick never goes below it. So you notice how this wick never goes below it, and then this one always has the body right next to it. That is a proper CRT. And there goes our 605 TP1. And now we're going to pump into the 620, 640 area. And that might be our rejection to continue to the downside. But this is all longs as supply and support for me. Yeah, I was really, really, really hoping that 500 came back. But I did call it in the group. I really, 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 really was looking forward to this. This is exactly what I pointed out in the group. Because this is where the injection of institutions would come in, hopefully taking all these orders out. But that didn't happen. Yeah, yeah. I do believe it was not gonna break below this 490, 470. There, that's impossible. It was just too much. It would be too much for them to take it down from here. I I, I don't know. I think Eric was a little too ambitious there. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Fundamentals did play a big part on this. It was all related to the rate cuts. Yeah, no, no. I think he was just being ambitious. Nothing wrong with that though. So for me, by the way, Gonzo, just to let you know, so you see how the 15 minute gave us the engulf? I was talking to Ronnie earlier while we were on the phone on FaceTime. I'm like, look, love, we have this 4 bar reversal candle. Once you have this kind of like range, we have this one, two, three, four, and once the fourth breaks up, like once the fourth breaks the neck of the base, if you want to call it, or the M, because to me this is a M. It's technically a W, but this looks like to me it would be like this. It's W. So then the 15 minute is the breakout, which is right on the break and retest. I'm just being super cautious, guys, because today's news headlines, it's ridiculous. It's end of the day, almost. It's Friday. I'd rather be precise on my entry than try to be on drawdown just because I honestly have FOMO this morning. I really, really did. I went for the walk and this morning I was like, man, I really could have got $1,500 in two accounts minimum. But, market does what market does. It is what it is. Bro, it would be so nice if that new 30-minute candle just swamps all the way down and just takes off from there, bro. So just be trigger ready. Just if you have to have a limit order with a small size and you add to it as it runs up, I think that's the best thing you could do. It'll be somewhere like 540, 530-ish. It would be massive. It'll be another morning session for you. That'll be 2 home runs for one. I know. Let's see here. I bet Ronnie took that long.
You know I did, Dork.
I know you did.
But
I know you did. You did one mini?
no, I'm doing micros always.
How many did you do?
I'm only doing one. I'm satisfied with my profits right now.
You should have done two or three.
It's okay. Right here is where I'm kind of thinking there's going to be some hesitation. Um, just like where we are in the 5 minute chart, I feel like we need a break above that little area. I don't know if you, I can't really, it's like a basing candle in the 5 minute chart
Mhm.
that we're in right now. So I really want to see a strong break above that and then take out the supply zone that I posted earlier today. But I'm driving, so I can't be like a big
What was your entry?
on my long.
Yeah.
I was long at like 520, 525.
Wait. You're telling me we were on the call the whole time and you didn't tell me you went long?
I told you I was long. I told you I was.
Whoa, guys, that's crazy. That's crazy. I never heard that.
Um,
I got played hard for real.
my gosh, I told you we were in 3 minute demand zone.
You
Like,
never
come on.
you never said you went long.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
you could have said just do it. I would have done it. If you would have told me and pressured me, I would have done it. Yo, Guetta, what's good, bro?
you're
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
you're contemplating it.
I
You're
was,
just
I was feeling FOMO because I missed my entry. I mean, I didn't miss my entry. I didn't get in by 9 points. Because I'm usually off by 10, 20 points max. What's up, Guido? We called the long, bro. We called the long, and I'm a little upset at myself because I didn't just pull the trigger and say go for it. But this was everything I said would happen earlier today on the chat. We have a nice 110 points up. We're looking to break 660, 680 to go into 790.
very nice.
I wouldn't go in now though, Guido, so don't just blindly enter now. You have to wait. The first entry was around 520, 530. We were waiting for a break, like a really retest into 530, 540. Never happened. We got a break and retest, very clean. Still wasn't confident on it yet. And it just gone like the wind. So we got a new 30-minute candle going on, Guido. What would be really nice is if it comes down and takes out Ronnie and it lets me enter so I could go my 10 micros up. Oh.
I'm not now because of where we are in the chart.
No, we're not gonna go
It
that.
just
We're not gonna go that down. We're not. Gonzo, like, you're not gonna get that entry, bro. I'm sorry. Max, I think what you're gonna get is probably like 580, 570 max. PMO will be coming depending on what happens. Mm-mm. She's not coming back. Yeah, she's not coming back. It's so damn strong, dude. It really is strong. I want to just 50 micro full port it, 1,000 instant, like 10 points. Be amazing.
she left you in the dust.
She left me in the dust. She's a little crackhead. Let's see here. New 15-minute candle. We're getting some kind of resistance right at an obvious zone. So right now, if you guys are long, please trim your profits. This is not a bad area to trim. Don't be greedy. This is okay. Unless you're Ronnie, you should be break even.
I'm not greedy.
No, you are greedy. You did a mini out of the blue earlier today, and I was like, why would you do that? But
It
you got
was fun.
lucky. You got lucky. It was a good it was a quick 100. I was like, yo. Let's see. Trump is speaking at the moment, so please be careful, guys. Is there anybody that is long at the moment other than Ronnie?
I'm not long, I'm short.
I'm confused. You just told me you were long.
I just told you I'm out. Now
You're
I'm
out.
because of where we are on the 5 minute chart, I'm gonna try to take a short. So my stop loss is 620. I'm gonna put it right now, 627. I'll get stopped out if we continue this move to the upside. I really don't have a confirmation to go short because we didn't break any lows or anything, but I'm taking a chance.
Intuition,
So,
intuition. I
well,
think what
I mean, I'm
I
reading
think
price action, but I'm taking a chance.
yeah,
Oh my God.
I could see it. I could see it because like
Sorry.
no, you're fine. You're cracking because you're nervous. I get it. Um,
I'm not nervous. I'm eating my breakfast.
what we're looking at is this little small reversal here. It will be a small pullback. It won't be crazy. I think it'll go into like this 680, 670 and then just bounce back up. So just make sure when you're in that zone, you want to break even, please.
Come on, Nazzy. Just give me a little bit more of a pullback. I'm up $31.
So there is a no wick candle at 581. If you want to add one more micro to your position, you're aiming for that 580, okay? Ronnie,
Yes, sir.
let me see here. I'll tell you when to add to your position. Give me a second here.
Wait a minute. I'm watching price action. If we break above this last 5 minute candle, we're going to create a rally base rally. So
We
I'm
can't
just watching.
we can't go above 617. Once you go above 617, you're screwed. But right now this 5 minute flush is going really nice for the pullback into that 580 zone.
I'm short too at 11.75 at 46 bucks.
Did you scale in one more or no?
No,
Okay, let me see something real quick. It's gonna go up one more time and then it's gonna flush, in my opinion.
really, you think so?
When I say flush, I mean like your little pullback to your 580. All right, so this is gonna go up one more time right here, and then it should come back down to that 580. Doesn't have to, because remember, I'm not a market maker. I'm just a friend of a market maker. But it should come back. It's gonna create that M pattern that I talk about. It's gonna do one of these, look, and then come back, and then liquidity is gonna sit here,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's gonna go up. Oh, that's really ugly, but you guys get the point. Who joined us? Ski, what's good, brother? We're looking for shorts into 580 for Ronnie. We're not short bias, by the way, so please don't short this. We're just looking for an optimal trade entry to go long. Right now, what I would think it would be was 580 or 575 max to go long. We did get the longs call. I don't know if you saw the chat, but I had mentioned like this pattern here where I wanted it to wait for to go into long. Unfortunately, we didn't get it by 9 points, so I couldn't really enter this. And we did call the break and retest, but I didn't feel too comfortable to take it. I don't know why. I guess I'm just oversized and that held me back. And I'm just waiting, just waiting. Rodney, where's your stop loss again?
I have it at 627.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's perfect. If you could put it at 629, please, that would be better. Or 630 because this little wick right here could be just a tap and then comes back down. But I do see this coming. Like this is where I would add one more micro, Ronnie. This right here, right now,
No,
right now.
no.
Trust me. Trust me. Just one more
Okay,
micro.
fine. I'm
One.
in three now.
All right, good. You're looking for 580, so don't try to hold it longer than that. By the way, guys, please don't take this short that I'm talking to Ronnie about. She's just adamant that she's trying something out. I want her to lose a little bit of profits, that's all.
Wow, what a man.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh man.
How many people do we have in here right now?
8, but I think Debbie and Gold are not really here actively. They're just sitting there and they forgot to log out.
Okay.
There's 8, but Gonzo is worth 100, he says.
He is.
Mm-hmm.
He is.
Wow, this is gonna take you out, girl. It better flush for you now.
Should I say profits?
No, hold it, hold it, hold it. You're good. But I think it's gonna take you out. I'm very bullish on this, but I really want my pullback. That's why I'm cheering for you.
I want you to have a pullback too.
Mm-hmm. She got big balls to short this. Mad respect. That's what Gonzo says.
Aw, I would have big ones if I did minis, but you know, micros keep my account safe
I know.
and keeps my sanity in place. So
I'm aware of that. How much are you up, by the way?
for the day, I'm up 1284.
Nice. Minus 100 that you're gonna lose right now is gonna be 1100.
Shut up.
Hey, Chino, are you taking that or you? Or what are you doing right now? Boy, shut up, girl. Happy, you happy. Secret life. Oh, I get it. He says that men, as long as men shut up and girls are happy, that's the secret to life, being happy. That's
Gonzo said that?
yeah.
Gonzo's a good man.
Mm-mm.
That's a wise man right there. I like him.
Happy family, happy life. That's all I gotta say.
I'm always happy.
Bum, 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 bum. I know that. So 15-minute closes in 3 minutes, by the way. So this would be another CRT from the top to the bottom, by the way. So really interesting to see if it actually closes right here at this supply zone. Let me see here. It's starting to
I
look.
think we're breaking above. I
It
should
looks.
have taken profits.
It looks really strong. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Looks like sellers are fighting it and buyers are fighting at the same time. This would be like in 2 minutes. If it stays like this would be a nice 580 drop, in my opinion. It just
Mm,
it can't close green. It can't close green.
we're creating a base to go somewhere. So I'm just curious.
Hold it. Don't think too much. Just hold it.
My
Just
brain hurts.
I think you're gonna be fine.
I think so too.
It might be just trapping buyers here just to get that pullback and then that bounce. Diamond hands. Everybody's cheering for you to get that diamond hands. We need that entry. Not you, me. Me and the boys. Let's see here. So the 1 hour is already above that 603, by the way. So come on. Ski, what are you seeing, bro? Ski, are you trading at the moment or you're just here watching us? Nice, good. So we're on the same page. Good. Ronnie, that means you better put your TP at 580 on the dot. You heard? Because everybody's trying to fade you.
Okay. Why 580? I mean, I guess I could see like on the 3 minute a continuation pattern to the upside, but
Yeah, it's like a little flag. It's like a little rally base rally, right?
mhm.
Yeah, I just hope I get my 580 entry, 570 at least minimum.
I hope you do too.
You too, kind.
Here we go. We're gonna rally to the upside.
Hmm.
Come on.
So you're technically losing the profits that you made on this long, right?
I'm not losing much right now. Just relax. Calm down. I want a little bit more of a dip to the downside. Come on, guys.
All right, so this is new 15 candle. This is a new 15-minute candle. It's gonna stop out Ronnie and come back down. Watch.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're
It's so
squeezing.
sweet.
They're squeezing the shorts like crazy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Drop it for her, please. Give us our entry.
Mm,
Ronnie, if you don't
I
feel
shouldn't be
comfortable with the
driving
trade,
and trading.
if you don't feel
Hmm?
comfortable taking the trade, you should close it. I don't know. It just looks really strong, dude.
It does, but I have my risk
Mm-hmm.
parameters. So, yeah.
Ronnie needs to pay, dude, 100%. She's paying for both of our dinners this tonight. Let's see here.
I'm not gonna do a payout request, by the way.
I'm just joking. Let me see here.
I'm lazy. Too lazy to do all that.
I'm really hoping you get your short so I can get my entry. Trump keeps speaking, by the way. A lot of bullish news, a lot of bullish headlines that he's saying.
Come on, Daddy Trump.
Yeah, Donald Trump has been talking this whole time, bro. Don't tell me you're gonna back out now that you know that he's talking. Please don't.
He usually I don't know. I'm surprised that the market isn't rallying more right now.
Mm-hmm. Full port.
I'm shocked.
All right, so we're getting our little W for that little trap to go back down. RSI is telling me shorts are still alive. It's not gonna die anytime soon. It's a divergence.
What's
Good.
RSI at right now?
RSI is at below 70 now. We already tapped it and rejected it. Uh, dude, if Gonzo, if you really want to be tempted to take it, take it. You're at the best optimal trade entry at the moment. If you're shorting this, you're shorting this now. Your stop loss is 625. Really tight. Super tight. What do you have to lose? 5%, 3% of your wins today, but make sure you exit at 580.
I just don't think we're gonna get that big of a pullback. Price is just doing absolutely nothing right now. It's trash.
No, look at the 5 minute. The 5 minutes giving us that top double top with that nice sell side liquidity sweep. That should give us the bottom to 580, no?
Hold on, I'm driving.
This is what I'm always looking for when I'm looking for longs. I look for the retracements once I see this kind of like movement. They trap both sides, comes back, and then it takes us in the direction that it wants.
I just have a feeling we're not gonna end the day strong.
It will look like that, guys. I wish Andrea was here. She'll help me feel a little bit more confident what to do. Let's see if she's gonna be able to hop on out of the blue.
Does she have a job?
She does have a job.
Oh, well, I'm happy that she graces you with her presence from time to time.
Mm-hmm. She's usually more active
Mm.
on the mornings. Like, does this have like a on board? There you go. Now you should get your flush. Now is the time to look for shorts if you really believe in Ronnie's vision.
Um, this is just,
Let
I
me
think this is
let me make an
creating
announcement.
balance for the upside. What's your announcement?
I'm gonna put Ronnie short and
Don't.
TP
You're
is 580. Everyone else is long bias at 580 into 660.
you're too much.
I do agree with that, Alonso. I do agree with that. 7 more minutes
For what?
for the new hour.
I'm not reading anything. I just parked my car though, but let me see.
You're still bouncing around that area. It's almost as if the market wants to take everybody out before they go down and then go back up. Oh, my bad, dog. I didn't have my phone on me. My bad. Let me get my phone real quick. I was charging my phone.
Here we go. Upside movement. I really,
You want to exit?
no, I'm not gonna exit. I'm fine with being stopped out of
Whoa.
this.
Wow.
I thought you would like that.
That's a long
Let's
entry. That's
see.
that's definitely a long entry right there. Chino, when did you call me or text me? I don't see anything.
Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be stopped out right
Mm-hmm.
now.
So that's the rally base rally. So if you want to take that long, guys, you would take longs, really tight stop loss, like 607. Is that right, Ronnie?
Get in long at 607?
No, getting in long now, your tight stop loss would be 607, 600. Small size.
Oh no. Wait for a pullback a little bit.
You got stopped out already, or you're almost about to get stopped out?
I'm not stopped out yet. Let's just wait.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, wait for the 1 hour, guys. Wait for the 1 hour. 4 more minutes. We could be patient. Dang, Ronnie almost got stopped out, y'all.
I think you want me to be stopped out. That's
No,
me.
I'm nervous for you. I'm nervous for you because I don't want you to get stopped out. I want 680.
Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Here's a nice push to the downside.
Nice.
Keep pushing. Come on, Nazi.
All right, so Trump finished talking right now, so we should see some real reactions based off whatever was said, and we should kind of have in a direction on how the market wants to react after. So let's see. Nice, beautiful, Gonzo. Make sure you tight stop loss, bro.
Is he in long?
He's a short now. Mega tight. He says mega tight.
Mega tight. Okay. See, this is
So he's trying to aim for 580, right? Gonzo, you're aiming for 580, or what are you aiming for, buddy? He's just saying die 100% 580. Yep. So 580. The reason why we're aiming for 580, guys, is because we have a no wick candle there. It's right here. Yes, ma'am. Ronnie, break even now, babe.
okay. I'm on break even.
Where's your entry again?
It's 611.
Oof. a little tight. Why
58.
why don't we put 615 just in case you don't get stopped out?
Okay. 615.
Yeah, just in case you don't get stopped out. I don't know. I have a feeling this thing's not gonna just die. You know, it's gonna bounce around and then dump. Just minimizing your risk. You get me? Actually,
I do get it.
put 617 just in case. 617 is a little. It's tight, but it's not too tight.
I'm gonna go on mute for like 5 minutes. So
No
just
worries.
keep talking.
Enjoy yourself.
Bye.
Mm-hmm. Gonzo, what's up with your mic, bro? You need a mega def right now, bro. This 5 minute needs to close underneath 600, 590 ish for it to go to that 580 for you. Very nice. Very, very nice. Is anybody else following this short from the top where Gonzo's taking it? It's a very small scalp, Guido, so don't chase it, brother. It's really, really risky. I wouldn't recommend it at all. This is just them being degens. If you like trading really good, I don't recommend it. That's just me, bro. Watch you all get stopped out and just flies right now. This 5 minute needs to come down, man. This 5 minutes trying you guys.
That sounds like a like
Ooh.
you.
Ooh. 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 2 points off. Come on, just drop it for her, man. Give my girl her 300 Ks. I don't know. Give her something, man. You know, it took me out at break even. Yeah, I know, bro. I had a feeling I was gonna do that. I low key want to go long, like super mad, 50 micros right now. Just YOLO it. Bang. 10 minis. Just go in. Da. Yeah, 10 minis. Just go in. Bah. You know, just let it give me 20 points. Get out right away. I don't care what it is. 500. Boom. Get out. It's hilarious. Nah, I'm chilling, guys. Don't do that. I'm just kidding.
Well, I'm out.
Yeah, you got out. How much you lose? Like
Yeah.
$30?
I don't know. I mean, I'm on my phone, so I don't know what exactly it is. I'm not looking at my other phone. I'm looking at the chart, but
Mm.
since I put my stop loss at 15,
Mm-hmm.
I see that I got stopped out.
It's all good. You tried. You worked and you executed and you held it. You held that trade for a long time, by the way.
I
Yeah,
did,
yeah,
yeah.
you did. So now we're just looking at the 5 minute, guys. We're just kind of like ranging in this area. Still very iffy zone, 20 points, nothing too shabby. And now that it took our dear Ronnie out, it wants to go down. A classic, I know, right? Dímelo, Ronnie.
What?
Dímelo cantando. That's a saying in Spanish, saying like dímelo, like saying what's up.
And who said that to me?
Yes, I was
Is
just
some
kidding. Tú sabes, ya tú sabes, Ronnie. Ya tú sabes.
freaking price action, man.
This price is terrible, man. It's just stuck. 3 minute candle held support. Yeah, I do know that. I'm aware of that. That's right. It's just we're trader bros. We just wanna make money, man. We ain't thinking about no breathers. It's a Chevrolet. It's not a Ferrari. It's a Chevrolet. Yeah, I do agree. It's more like a Camry. They last long. Is anybody on any position at this moment? Anybody? Cool. Good to know. Just watching. Awesome. All right. So Pedro's in a short, by the way. Just to let you know, Pedro's in a short. He says I'm in a short here with a stop loss at the next 50% for me, which is 673. I mean 676. That's a big ass stop loss, but for one micro, I guess. Yeah, his stop loss is in my supply zone. What is he talking about?
I went short with Pedro. I'm ending the day at 1328. I'm locking it up. I
Yeah.
did a mini. Thanks, Pedro.
Well, no, Pedro's not here. I read the chat, but I'm glad that you got it. Let me see here.
1328. I'm
That's
really happy
beautiful.
with that.
That's phenomenal, guys. Drop some dubs for Ronnie, please. She's making new goals in her life. She's hitting new goals, new milestones. She's definitely excited to be here. She says I make her better. Meeting you is the wrong word. That's weird. SL as supply zone. I know. I thought the same thing. Pedro. Any like if you look at the 30 minute Gonzo, the 30 minute is giving you a 30 minute breakdown. But that could be a trap, bro.
I
Look at
honestly wish I would have just kept my initial stop where it was, but somebody wanted me to move it. So
I'm just minimizing your risk, bro. That's all. We're looking at a 60
it's okay.
point drop from the top of 624. I have somebody else telling me a big drop, like from a different
Server.
server. He's tagging me directly. He's telling me to look for a direct drop. I have a chat, a group chat, by the way. These are old heads. These are like people that are like 60 in their 50s, and there's two of them that are really really like pros. They used to work like one of them used to work at the floor, the pit floor, and I guess he likes my edge so much that we use each other as confluence. So he's expecting a big drop here. So if you really want to go big, guys, just be careful. My bad. I'm just telling you what somebody else is telling me. I'm telling him right now 580 is longs.
You're funny.
TP is 660.
You
Why am I funny? Supply.
you have all these connections.
I have a lot of connections. I network with everybody and anybody.
What a man.
You gotta leverage the people that love you and only mean well for you.
True.
Let's see here. see here. Gonzo, this is your 30-minute like drop for 40 points. You're looking for 40 points. It's still valid. If it stopped you at a break even, it's okay to lose 300 bucks on this trade. I think it's still very valid. And by the way, it's a CRT that's clean because look, we didn't go above the body. You see the body wick right here? It's still very clean. It's still very clean. Just make sure you very tight stop loss like 580, 570-ish. This is a CRT, and especially I don't know, I know that there's this all liquidity here, but it's a very tricky zone to be in.
I didn't anticipate that we were gonna break above like the highs that we made today, but I guess just I don't know. I don't even see where price might have reacted off of that little drop right there, like why it turned around.
We're just
But
moving sideways, but the 15 minutes looking very bearish. 30 minutes giving us a breakdown short on a CRT, and the 1 hour is just stalled at that 600 zone. It's almost as if it's being
one
defended.
minute created a downtrend. So
Yeah, the 1 minute has lower highs. Lower highs, lower highs with equal lows. I'm sorry, equal highs.
what is your market maker friend saying?
They're saying
Oh
shorts.
shoot, I'm short one at 14. How is that possible? I must have clicked on that by accident.
So you're short again?
I mean, I my phone was in my pocket, but not not a mini. It's on my yeah,
Oh Lord.
just one. I'm up 17 bucks, but still, I'm at 13.28 today. I'm really proud of myself.
Just be careful.
Very
20
very
one
proud.
one mini, I think 10 points is 200 bucks if I'm not mistaken. So just
It's a
be careful.
micro. It's a
Oh, oh.
micro.
Okay, okay.
I'm not crazy, boy. Or am I? Just kidding.
Ah, ah.
I
I
have too much fun in
I
here.
know something everybody doesn't know. That's crazy. Oh man.
Everyone's gonna just skedaddle out of here. They're like, they're flirting too much.
Insiders,
Sorry,
insiders.
guys.
It's just an insider. That's all.
I'm having fun. I'm having a lot of fun in here.
Hmm. Tired.
Oh my God. Okay, guys. How is everyone doing? Is anyone in a short right now? Oh, sorry, guys. It's hot in California. I'm pretty hot right now.
We're just moving sideways. There's nothing crazy. It's not doing much. Mm-hmm. Chino, you're not trading this, are you?
I'm just gonna hold this short for the rest of the day.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. One micro. I
Yeah,
don't think this
it
market can rally
it won't hit.
that much.
I mean, power hours in like the next 45 minutes, so
Hmm.
can you imagine that ski? Can you imagine a 200? Can you imagine a 200 point up? That'd be crazy. Another 200 point up. That'd be wild. Look at this right here. This is what I'm looking at. That's 700 right there. This right here. And it's right at
OMG.
it's right at my PMO TDO. I would not be surprised by that at all, ski. Tired. My muscles are so sore. Yeah, they're saving that 600. For all you know, we just move around in this range for the rest of the week until we get a break out of the structure. Wouldn't even be surprised with that.
I mean, there's three touches on a 1 minute trend line to the downside. I want this thing to just tank, you know?
No, I don't. I really don't know because
I want it
I
to
I'm
go
only
down.
I'm only long bias, honestly. I don't want to go against the trend today.
Are we still within the range of Wednesday's candle? I didn't even look at that.
Wednesday?
Mm-hmm.
What day was Wednesday?
2 days ago, sir.
20th.
We're still within the range,
Nope, we're not.
so we broke above it.
We've been above that a lot, like crazy.
Then we're like I posted in the chat this morning. The higher time frame demand was still in play, so we
Gonzo's like, when
were
was Wednesday?
trading.
He's laughing at me.
Uh
No, Gonzo's laughing at me. He's like, when was Wednesday?
huh.
Guys, I'm going to sleep like really late, guys. I'm really, really tired. Not too tired, but I'm just tired. I need to take my naps in the daytime. What were you saying, Ronnie? My bad.
I don't even remember. Yeah, I posted this morning in the group. We need to respect that higher time frame demand. So, like, I'm happy that it wasn't broken because this down move that we had this week was really just a corrective move. So I really believe that we can look for some bullishness next week. You know, the market needs corrections, and I'm excited for next week.
Next week you make $10,000 in the week.
Okay, as you command, whatever you say.
Gonzo's short. You're short right now? Gonzo, you're short?
I'm short.
Oh, he
Dude,
is short. He's short. Where's your
I'm
stop loss?
happy for
Where's
her.
your stop loss, Gonzo? Oh shit.
Wow, I'm at $34 more. Come on, keep going down, please. Give me a $1,500 day,
Let
please.
me see something. Hold up. He confessed. He confessed he's short. Every time I feel like every time I tell Gonzo something, he adds his confluences to it. He's like, I'm gonna take it, and he just grows some balls to do it.
He's a
DS,
good trader.
he's a great trader. He's a phenomenal trader. I like how he trades. He trades very
Safe.
similar. He trades very similar to what I used to do with the 15 minute. That's why I was very fond of his trading style.
He's a supporter of the dude group.
Yeah,
I like that.
he's a big supporter. He's a real one.
Ooh, it would be cool if we were live all day and just chopping it up, you know?
You know what? I've thought about that. I could probably do that on TikTok. I think my cousins were telling me to do that, so I could go famous on TikTok just reading price action without taking any um positions, or if I do, I just do it, but it's not really too much. Um, and you never know, people might make me TikTok famous or whatever. I really don't know, but that's just an
Or
idea.
we can use my TikTok since I'm already TikTok famous, and we can just delete all the videos and change the name to like
Dude trading,
dude trading.
we could do that. If you're down for it, I'm down. But you sure you want to lose all that like memories that you had?
I mean, I can save a few of my videos. Like I don't mind doing that.
Mm.
Like I have 252,000
Yeah,
followers
I know you have a lot of followers. I'm like, wow.
because people like the mama
Mm-hmm.
bun. So
Yeah, you see this guy, this old head is up. He's 10 minis in, by the way.
shut up.
He's taking
OMG.
profit at 584, by the way. So he 584. It didn't hit his TP, but it bounced right now.
Oh
He's in.
my gosh.
He was in 10 minis. He just literally sent me a screenshot. His stop loss is at 607, guys.
Is that gonna leave him in profit?
No,
Yeah, it
no, it
must.
wouldn't. It wouldn't, because he entered a little late. I guess he's just micro scalping. He entered at 597. He's been micro scalping. I'm pretty sure. He
Here's
gets.
another pullback.
All right, there you go, guys. Get your dub, guys. Get your dub. This right here looks like a bullish pattern to me. When I see this right here,
Hmm.
when I see this is
Hmm.
bullish. So it's gonna dump and then fly. That's why I said 580.
We didn't even get there yet.
Shh. I'm always off by a few points.
A few.
And he says he added more, by the way. That's
Holy
crazy.
cow.
He added more minis. That's crazy.
And his TP is 587?
584. So right above mine, which is the no way candle. I think it's gonna hit the no way candle. Should I just full pour 5 minis from here to 580? YOLO it.
No. No.
Lord Jesus. Bring me to my
You
TP.
got
All right,
you got
longs.
him 1 minute.
Longs, get ready because we're gonna get either filled or we're gonna go to the upside. Let's see. This thing looks heavy, man.
I'm gonna put TP at
He just got out. He
578.
just got out. He just got out, by the way. I'm just letting you know. I'm
Oh yeah, he had a great day. That's a great trade.
yeah. I'm saying
Freaking
580.
minis.
I'm saying 580 longs. I'm not gonna rush it. And if it dies hard, I'm not going in until 560. It's patience, guys. It's almost the end of the day. It's power hour. So how much are you?
Is
How much are
Gonzo still in?
Gonzo? You're still on, right? You're still in the short.
I'm at $50
Yep,
on my
he's
short.
still up. He's still up. 10 points, please. 10 more points. You might as well TP, man. Might as well TP and just prepare for the long whenever it does happen. But if it flash sells, cool. 300 secured. Good
I'm
job,
gonna,
man. Good job.
I'm gonna take profit.
Good job.
Okay, I just closed everything. Okay, it's because I have an obligation right now.
I know.
See you guys later.
I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Be safe, all right?
Okay, bye.
All right. Gonzo, good job. Let's get your dub, bro. I really should have done that 50 minis, though. Scare money, make no money, man. Yeah, it's true. I do believe that. I do believe she's a moneymaker. 30 point drop, easy 40, 60 points all the time. This is a pull. For me, it's really a pullback. It's really a pullback. We need that pullback for it to continue to that supply zone. And if you could try to hold it, like let's say we do hit 580, right? I would put my stop loss a little tight, to trail your profits. Don't just manually close it, because if it dumps into 560, you're looking at an extra 400 bucks, easy. Because look, the fib right now would be 565. Oh, you're good, bro. You're good. Dale, tranquilo, loco. Thank you for being here with us, man. Dale, if I don't see you later on, I hope you have a good weekend, brother. All right, so we're at 587, guys. 587. Still waiting for a big dump to go back up. All right, so we're playing this support area after prior resistance at the 587s, 588. So we're getting this nice push at 600. This could be an easy engulfing candle to go to the upside. Not exactly the area I wanted it to take it in. Mhm, 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 mhm,
Dang, imagine staying in that short, like from the top with
Mm-hmm.
minis.
Just
Like
imagine.
literally, it touched this like, price created a five supply zone. Okay, so when you look at the 5 minute, it literally was like at the top of the zone.
Mm-hmm.
That's where price went. So always when I post my zones, I expect there to be like, you know, 3, 4, 5 ticks buffer for the stop loss. So that's why I was comfortable putting my stop loss at 627. It would have never stopped me out.
Yeah.
I would have been golden, and it's all right. I forgive you.
I'm sorry I made you move your stop loss. Sorry.
It's okay.
I was just protecting your dub, that's all.
Very sweet. Well, still very satisfied. I'm gonna go over to print out my tax form, I guess, and then I'm gonna go home and take a nappy.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna take any trades?
I'm looking over here and I'm not getting what I want with the 580. I'm hoping we could get it. A second here. What the hell is this? Um, I'm not sure if I'm gonna take a trade. I'm just gonna be here for support, but I might call off the stream because honestly my head hurts a little bit. I think I just need to drink some
Okay.
water.
All right. Well, I had fun.
I know I had fun too. Thank you for being here.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be cutting off the stream, but please trade safe. Please make sure you guys are just patient. Remember, everything doesn't have to be perfect. If there's certain zones that we didn't get by a few points, just look at the bias. Where's the market doing? Where's the structure on it? Right now we're just standing still for the next 30 minutes, still here, and that could be the flush down to create, push down to the downside all the way down to 500. The original long I wanted it was from 500, 497. So if we do go all the way down there, oh well, great. But if it does blast, just make sure you guys are looking for a structure like breakout above 630, and then it goes into the 680 zone, maybe 730 by the end of the day. Lower your size. You don't need a big home run, guys. You really don't need a big home run. Um, and just protect yourselves. So I'll talk to you guys later if I do get back on, and I'll definitely be here back on Monday morning with Ronnie, guys. So